Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Impersonate me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good morning, world. Hello, beautiful downtown Los Angeles. Good morning, Rupert. Oh, how are you doing, sir?
I'm doing just fine. Let's go vlogging, people.
This is what happens when you are on your period, ladies and gents.
Adelia, maybe you shouldn't tell people you're on your period.
Hello, Slipper. Hi, fan number 1. Hi, fan number 2. Hi, palm tree. Hi, toothbrush. Hi, kitty cat mug. Hi, Lyra. Good morning, Mark's Vlogs.
Haha. Good luck with the rest of the edit.
Go Hawks. Pretty glowy primer. I swear I have so many things in my makeup bag, but I only use 4 things out of that makeup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Conceal what you don't want to reveal. Your little imperfections. All the imperfections make you you. So you know what? If no one likes, if people don't like you for your imperfections, then they need to leave. Ta-da! Now we're gonna get dressed. You know when you just want to look really cute today for no apparent reason? Am I wasting an outfit? I don't know. Ladies and gents, this is the winter. Really freaking hot. About 85 degrees out. Before we jump into this video, please like, comment, and
Subscribe!
also a huge thank you to everybody that has been supporting me and commenting and liking everything. I do see all the comments, so thank you so much for all the support. Let's get to the video.
Jesus Christ, there's 3 of you.
Wow.
What's that?
So he's scrolling through my Instagram trying to find what?
Nudes.
Oh, you're scrolling through my,
Your photos.
oh my, oh. There's definitely no nudes in my photos.
Somewhere she covers up the nip.
Where?
What?
There we go.
Elia gave me her password.
I thought you were,
I'm talking.
Alright, this is what I told her yesterday. I was like, you need to figure out, like, when people talk, you point the camera to them.
Mark, too many people are freaking
I'm talking right now.
There you go.
Come back to me. Come back. Don't be shy. Give me some more.
There's definitely no nudes in my camera roll.
There's somewhere she covers up the nipple with one of those, like, paint strokes, you know what I'm saying? How those girls do it.
Over here trying to do, you know,
I don't know
make
how to
my
do the
coffee.
drip, bro.
What?
You made
You're
a mess of my house. A mess.
okay, well it's gonna keep going, so you gotta like.
So yeah, grab your camera and don't help me, you freaking content curator.
Adelia, let it happen.
I know, right?
Ow!
That's what you get.
I try to see. This is what happens, okay, guys. This is a lesson for all of you. Don't do good, and bad won't happen. I was making an Adelia a coffee. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna be a nice gentleman, make her a coffee. Wasn't paying attention, was distracted, and then what happens? My pants get taken down, rightfully so, and now coffee's all over, and I gotta go. Get out of here.
So me and Jess are about to take some bomb content on the roof. We got this mirror. Oh god. Teamwork makes the dream work. This is kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie. How y'all doing? Look at this beautiful creation. So pretty. Jess is over here doing her thing. She do be vibing, she taking the content for all the thoughty thought boys out there. I'd be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Oh wow, the lighting is really cute. Oh. Mark is coming to take some photos with us. He needs to work on his Instagram skills. Jess and I are helping him out. Look how just stinking beautiful this is. He has a ribbed. I like the fit. Wait, stop. Wow.
We extra saucy with it today, you know how it be.
You are learning. Look at this.
Is the mirror set up for me?
Yeah.
Ladies, back up.
Dope, got the shot, I'm out.
We just threw up the coolest Instagram post. Check it out, like it, comment on it. Comment little nugget if you came from the vlog.
Well, what's my name that they could comment? Dome Bone, baby. Hey.
What are we about to do?
About to turn me into Post Malone. This is what quarantine has done to us. I'm becoming a rock star. Hollywood is bleeding, Hollywood is bleeding.
And I have this beautiful nugget here.
Get out of the way.
That's what she gets. I get, oh, I just got to Mark's, and then you get, oh, I have this beautiful girl over here. That's bullshit.
Because I'm hotter than you, Mark.
Yeah, we're
Bullshit!
We're
No one ever compliments me! I can't even be in your vlogs because all you film is freaking Carol Baskin.
Should I do it like high? Like
Like, look how he does it. It's right
Yeah.
on the line.
It's happening. It's already on there. You can't go back now.
Hey! Oh.
Wait, look at me.
Dude, I should have just done this myself.
You look
I
great.
trusted you guys and you fucked it up. It's not
No.
even straight.
It can't be straight because your forehead's fucking round.
Yeah, but
bro.
you could have curved the paper.
I did. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, look at that. Well, that was fun.
You look like a crackhead. So I come home from a long, long day of vlogging to these beautiful kids. Hi, you look cute. And look what I got. Look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm about to open it. Ready? I don't know. I just did that. So Mark is about to head over. I think I'm gonna let him pick out my outfit for the day. You know, we're gonna put his styling to the test. Today, Junior,
I can see up your freaking shirt.
I want you to pick out my outfit for the day. Remember?
Oh, what you're wearing.
I'm not going. Stop. Remember the weather right now and everything and everything.
Doesn't have AC.
Well, I do have AC. I just don't want to bring it out.
Okay. First and foremost, I got a swag outfit on.
Yeah, you do got a swag outfit on. I'm really impressed.
All right, let's see here. Holy moly, claws! I like crop tops. This looks good. That's sexy. It also looks like it would not fit me. Oh wow! Not enough options in sweatpants. Hair, pretty little thing. Still subject.
R.I.P.
Oh, you've never worn this. It has a tag on it.
Go into my undie drawer.
Oh wow! Look at these. Oh, sucks.
Put that back.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Put my bra back that I never wear. Sick. Good choice.
Nike socks.
They're actually yours.
These are sick. How about you throw these on? Hold this book. Let's do a cool transition. Ready? Oh yeah, I like it. I think, to be honest, we could lose the book. And the hat's pretty cute, but we could lose it. Look at these necklace choices though. Hey, E-girl, what's good? I'm gonna start my stream soon.
Damn, I look fire.
No compliment to me, thank you.
No, I look fire. You look good too. You always look great. You know you always look great.
Oh, so you look fire and I look good / great.
Exactly.
So fucking basic.
God, I am just feeling myself with the fit.
Yeah, you're welcome. I picked it out. You're welcome. I have good taste. You're welcome. Hashtag who styled her better, me or herself. Hashtag me, bitch.
Heroes Girl is out here every single day, you guys.
She's selling that kush.
Promoting that motherfucking good.
Look at that. Good weed, no days off, essential business.
Jess and I are about to bake some muffins while...
Sorry, some girl DM me. What's up? She's like, hey, how's that quarantine going? I'm like, yo, what's good with it though? You trying to come through? And she was like, nah fam, you got 2 girls over already. I ain't about that life. And I see one drinking a Modelo, the other smoking this vape. It's probably gonna kill her one day. Get that shit out of my face, bro. Take this towel, wrap it around you. Don't say a word, dude.
What did I walk into? I don't know what just happened. He's slightly going crazy.
How have you not finished this apple pie? You've had this sitting in this box since 8 a.m. this morning.
Actually, since 9 o'clock
And
last
you're not
night.
done with it. What are you? Are you a chipmunk? You're like, I'm not fucking bury this shit back in the box and then come back later and then, oh fuck, I forgot where it was.
Wow, are you done? That is... Oh yeah. Now we're eating the batter. Best part. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So bad for you though. Well, I'm gonna scare Pearson and Mark.
Hold on, wait.
Did it work? Wow! We're about to do a TikTok. We got...
Everybody, so I'm gonna start at the bottom. Everybody ready? Best of luck, my friend. Go! No, dude, go! You think this is nice?
No, I
Get up, motherfuckers. Come on, dude. Go, Dealer. You got this, bro. Oh, God.
Yeah!
Go, go, go! Are we on? Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah!
Bro! How do you feel?
Stress me out. Dude,
Oh my god.
my shins. Get as high as possible. Do something at the top. Be a gymnast. Let's go! Let's roll! Down, Amelia. Pearson's hurting. My shins. Oh, you used to be a gymnast. Go.
What do you think of me? I'm a strong man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, that's down her vlog camera. Yeah.
Where are you recording?
Always
Record our
record.
POV. POV, I'm a strong man and you
Jess,
just
what
saw
do you
me.
think?
Now we're smushing.
Oh man.
What do you think, Tyler?
for Pearson. Everyone's ass was on each other. Oh my god. So many cameras.
Oh, you just sat on my wee wee with the flip, dude. Bent that shit crooked.
Anyways, do you want some of my muffin?
You already offered me some and I said no, and my answer's still no. See, this is the devil. You're tempting me.
Eat it.
Smells delicious.
Doesn't it?
I don't need to taste it.
Eat it.
This is like, she tempts me.
Ugh, he's no fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Also, thank you for all the cool and amazing outfits that you guys tagged me in. I love every one of them. Do you like any of them?
Yeah, they were super sick.
All right.
She's mine. I'm smothering her. Sorry. Say bye.